guys, welcome back. Olivia here, and today we are going to be joined by one of my dogs. Her name is Jamie. Why are you in a kennel? Why are you in your cage? You're supposed to be outside, girl. These are your vlogs. So me, Jamie, guys, you can't see her, but when I go outside, you'll see her. And me, Gus. I don't want to let you out because you're take it easy, guys. You're not getting out. You're not getting out. Okay? You are going to get out last. Oh, gross. He touched me with his ugly nose. Oh, sorry. Not like he's ugly, but he's silly willy. And there's Lucy. Bye, Lucy. And stop. No. Lucy. See, this is a pain. It's way harder than having, like, one dog. And, oh my gosh. Jamie! Oh, she got the cats again, didn't you? Oh, well, whatever. As long as you don't drink it all, I guess. So, come on, let's go outside. Go, Lucy, go. Move. Jamie! Candle? Okay, so first of all, Jamie! Y'all meet my pets, guys. So this is Jamie. Always with a can on her hair. Come on, Jamie. Oh, Jamie. Oh gosh, stop. No. You do not want to. In the avalanche. I'm just kidding. There's no avalanche here. It's so cold. Stop. No, you're going to eat the camera. Stop. See, look at her. I'm not giving her breakfast. Oh gosh, sorry guys. I'm not giving you breakfast, girl. You didn't. Okay, no, you stay outside, see? Okay, I'm not that evil, but I have to take care of them. So I'll be right back once I take care of these dogs. Guys, now I'm heading upstairs. Those dogs drive me nuts. Oh gosh. Well, I'll be right back when I get up there. And plus, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Might watch a movie. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna end this video. This is the doggy vlog. So, by the way, climb these stairs. And, okay, gosh, I'm done. Okay, there's the store. Let's go inside. And we arrive in the attic. That's my brother. He's weird. So anyways, let's go back of the door we came from, which is right here. And then we get out. But then we go upstairs, which it's tiring. I don't want to go upstairs. Oh well, guys, I'm gonna end the episode right there. So, bye.